Sparky Sparks here. My goodness, thank you for joining me here on my channel. I have new hair, but before we get started, please look below and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe in this world means that you're following me, and I so appreciate it if you would do that. Click the button, it's in the description area, it says subscribe. Just click it and then you and I will be connected. So what about this hair? This is Luca by Rene of Paris, and the color is Trace Chocolate R. So the R stands for rooted. This is, at first, I'm going to be really honest with you here on this channel. This is a beautiful, stunning wig. If you want something serious and of a certain age, we're told at a certain age we can't wear long hair anymore. Some people still subscribe to that idea. I don't. I wear, as you will see on my channel and my website, that I wear all sorts of hair, all sorts of colors. But I love this style for a sophisticated look. Now I've put on a beautiful St. John jacket. I'm going to give you a full tour here. The three chocolates, Trace chocolate, I think are white chocolate, dark chocolate, and milk chocolate. I would love to know your thoughts. Just a beautiful wig, really pretty, very sophisticated. I think you could dress this up even more or make it edgy if you wanted to have this hair like more of an edgy style. Again, it is a lot of hair. It has permatease in it, which is making it big. Because it doesn't have a lace front and it doesn't have a defined part, you can move this around to pretty much wherever you want it. And you see here, we've just gotten a little more edgy. I'm going to take it off and give you a tour of the inside because I think it's important to see what the inside of these wigs look like. Now I wear a combination wig cap, wig grip. So it's velvet here on the sides, and that's what keeps the wig in place. It's rough going back and smooth going forward. We'll take it off. I'm due to get my hair colored, but that's not for a few days. So this combination wig cap, wig grip collects my hair underneath so it doesn't come back and poke out through the wig. And then it just has a Velcro thing here in the back. So it just goes on just like that. And if I touch the velvet right here, it's rough going this way and smooth going this way. So when we put the wig on, it's pretty much going to stay put. Now the inside of this wig is a basic cap. So budget friendly, certainly, because it doesn't have all the bells and whistles with the lace front, but not needed really, because again, you're not going to wear this pulled back off your forehead. So it's got this kind of a front here, nice and comfortable. This is where the permatease is up here. Nice and stretchy cap. These are the adjusters back here. You'll just pull on them just like you would adjust a bra strap, if you will. And then in the back, just it's short. So it has a tag that's nicely tucked up. So you're not going to have to worry about the tag poking out of the back under any circumstance, really. And when you get her out of the box, just shake her like this. And then we make sure the tag is in the back, and we're going to dive our forehead here into the front. So I like to make it land here. As you can tell, I have a wide forehead. I always have. So I call it an 8 head. 8 fingers of mine can fit, I say, between my brow line and my hairline. The rule of thumb is about 3 to 4 fingers right here. So that's how we're going to try to adjust this. We'll dive our forehead in and pull it down just like you would a swim cap. And don't be shocked. This is exactly how it looks when you put it on. And even I look at this and think, what the heck? Can't go out like this. Not really. So bear with yourself. Be kind to yourself. Breathe. We're going to adjust this. So we're going to hold on to the ear tabs and let them and slide it up. So here we've got 3 fingers. We could go to 4 fingers. We just kind of move it around. Still, we're not there yet. Let's put our fingers in here and start moving the hair the way we want it. The beauty is that we can just grab this, before we're walking out the door and throw it on. Now, you saw how quickly that is. This has got some really cute little curls here. I like to wear short hair like this around my face. Long hair I usually put behind my ear, but this I think looks really pretty like this. I like this little swoop here. Excuse the runny nose, it's cold here. But again, it would take me forever. I couldn't get this to happen with my own natural hair. There's no way. But this is going to stay like this all day. And I might pull on this and make it a little piecier. But gorgeous, right? It's really a stunning style. Right out of the box for your next meeting. I mean, this could be like your bio hair and just gorgeous. No one's going to know it's a wig. It's just stunning. And you're put together in seconds. So it's synthetic fiber. It's not going to go anywhere. If it gets wet in the rain, it's going to come back right to this style. It's all baked in. It just is stunning. If you have any questions, please, 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 please don't hesitate to ask. I'm so glad you're here. Remember, we're going to subscribe, push the subscribe button. That's going to connect us here on in this world. In this world, subscribe means follow. So you're not paying for a subscription. We don't need to do that. And also within the bio, you'll see a link to my new website. I have a website started where I'll be doing a quarterly newsletter, keeping you in touch. It's all via email. And I would love to have you join me. I have some exciting things planned in 2025, and I'd love you to be a part of it. So consider that. And as always, just have a great day. If you've chosen to wear wigs or you're experimenting or thinking about it, I'm so glad you're here. The only thing I regret about wigs is that I didn't do this sooner. I've been wearing wigs 3 years now, and it has been the best thing that I found. Super happy and love to share my joy with you. Have a great day. Cheers.